What are you guys doing today? Being it's like 108 outside right now. I'm trying to stay inside for the most part. This is what I've been up to right now, and I need a break from it because I'm tired of sanding. But this is a black walnut bowl, and yeah, this is my first one, and it's coming out okay. So much frickin' sanding. But on top of that, figure I'd get you up to date. I got a bunch of projects going on right now. Here's a bunch that I just finished as a stack of cutting boards and stuff. Okay. Here's one. I just put the second layer of board butter on it, and it's soaking in right now. But this is going to be a charcuterie board, and originally that bowl was supposed to go with this, but the shape wasn't going with it. So I'm going to do a different one, and it's going to just kind of nest in there, so you have your charcuterie board and like a little bowl for sauces or dips or whatever the case. Okay, so that's a fun project that I'm doing right there. And I got projects all over here. I got some. These are ripped and ready to glue. They went through the joiner or the planer, and I'm going to make some candle holders out of here. But I always have different projects in different stages. Okay, that way if I'm gluing one, I can go work on another one while that one dries, and then when that one's done, I can work on another one when the other thing dries, the board butter or whatever the case is. But this is going to be a live edge candle holder. Here's another live edge candle holder that I already made into the block, jointed, or planed, so everything's nice and smooth. And then we're going to get ready to drill for votive candle holders in here, and I'm going to drill it to about here, and then on the ends here I'm going to put slices going like this all the way to the length, so when you have the candles in there in the votive candle, it'll glow out from the sides of the wood. So that's my thought process on this one and this one. I might turn it into two, I'm not sure yet, but we always have a bunch of projects on hand. Here's a couple knife holders I've been working on for a while. I haven't figured out exactly what I want to do on it, but yeah, works perfect. So those work good. And then this is the newest project that I thought up last night, and I'm going to make, well, what was supposed to be a Chicago Bears, but now it's going to be the Indiana Bears charcuterie board. So we got handles that I'm going to carve into it, and then these are going to hold sauce bowls here, and I'm going to put a big Bears logo, not a Chicago Bears logo, but the Bears logo on it. And I'm going to carve in laces, so this will be an NFL, I guess, Super Bowl charcuterie board. But we always got something to do here. This is a serving tray that I've been working on. I still got to come up with handles going along here. I want them on the top, I think. But yeah, this is just one more project that's almost done, but not quite. That's what I'm up to here in the wood shop. So I'll keep you all posted. I'll be heading out to the field tomorrow, so we'll check out the crops. All right. Happy farming, y'all. Later.